was nothing. Just an animal.
Yeah, an animal with a paw that looks exactly like a zombie's hand, sure.
I don't want to be here anymore.
I need you to make a deal with me.
A deal? For what?
Your life.
How is this possible? Some things won't stay buried.
You calling me a lie?
Are you insane?
Poor guy. Can't take a joke.
Welcome to the fun house, kitty.
Hello, police department.
Don't panic. Can we panic now?
Just run!
Did you see that?
A brand new season of The Haunting Hour premieres Saturday, October 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 Pacific on the Hub Network.